boom, boom, boom. Hello again, guys. I am back to this glorious bathroom. So, how are you doing, Sync? Why, I am doing splendid. Hello there, toilet.
Well, it's you again. What brings you here?
Oh, I'm just checking on you guys. So, what's life like in the bathroom?
I already told you before. People keep excreting waste into me and I don't like it. And I keep having to get flushed. As I told you before, my life is sucky. No freaking doubt about it.
Gee, I'm really sorry to hear. Oh, the shower again. Guess what, guys? I think I'm gonna sing a little song. Boom, 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 da boom, 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 da boom, 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 boom. This is the shower song, and everybody's singing along. This is the shower song, and everybody's singing along. I wanna join in. I hope you join in too. This is the shower song. This is the shower song. This is the shower song. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, that song was absolutely swell. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Oh yeah, we sure as hell did.
Okay, toilet. There's no need for you to get angry.
I'm angry about everything. I hate being a toilet. I wish I was that shower. I just wish I was that shower.
Alright guys, see you later. This is the shower song, and everybody sing along.